Leaked. Monetize your channel in 10 hours with AI. What is going on, guys? It's your boy D18, and today I've got something absolutely insane to share with you. We're diving deep into AI YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamt of monetizing a channel but felt overwhelmed, stick around. I'm talking about a proven system to get your channel monetized in just 10 hours. Now, I know what you might be thinking. D18, that sounds too good to be true. But for the past 6 months, I've been testing AI YouTube automation. I've documented everything to figure out what truly works. It's been a grind, but it's all led to this moment. And that blueprint is a comprehensive 10-hour course. This isn't just a few tips, it's a full-blown, step-by-step guide. Plus, you get access to my exclusive niche-specific Google Docs. These docs are packed with prompts, resources, and strategies. We're talking about a direct line to accelerating your YouTube journey, so buckle up, because we're about to leak the secrets. The AI YouTube Gold Rush, my 6-month deep dive. For the last half a year, I've been on an absolute mission. I've explored every conceivable AI YouTube automation niche. History, motivation, meditation, tech explainers, animations, financial news, you name it. The goal? Find the most profitable, sustainable, and quickest to monetize niches using AI. This was a systematic, dedicated exploration, and I meticulously documented every experiment. AI branding logos and banners made easy. First impressions matter, even in AI automation. Start with your channel's logo. No need for complex software or expensive designers. Leverage AI tools for straightforward design. Feed the AI a concept, style, and keywords. It generates logo options for you. Rapid prototyping for branding. The beauty of AI is the iterative process. Not thrilled with the first batch? No problem. Sounding cinematic, the power of SFX. Alright, let's shift gears from visuals to audio, specifically sound effects, or SFX. Guys, this is an element that so many new creators overlook, but it's absolutely crucial if you want to elevate your videos from feeling amateurish to having a more cinematic, engaging quality. Sound effects are the secret sauce that can add depth, emotion, and professionalism to your content. Think about your favorite movies or high-production YouTube videos. They all use SFX masterfully to enhance the viewing experience, and there's no reason your AI automated channel can't do the same. Chapter 4. Building your empire channel setup from scratch. So, you've got your niche idea. Maybe you've even used AI to brainstorm some killer channel names, and you've got a basic structure in mind for your content. What's next? Well, it's time to actually build your YouTube home to set up your channel from absolute scratch. This might seem like a daunting task if you've never done it before, with all the settings and options YouTube throws at you. But don't worry, this is exactly where the course provides a crystal clear step-by-step walkthrough, holding your hand through the entire process. Chapter 5. Setting the mood, AI background music with Suno. Once your channel structure is in place and you're thinking about the actual video content, background music becomes a vital component for setting the tone and keeping viewers engaged. Finding the right music can be a challenge, especially with copyright restrictions. This is where another incredible AI tool comes into play, Suno AI. Suno AI is a game changer for generating custom, royalty-free background music tailored to your specific needs, and it's surprisingly easy to use. Chapter 6. Visual Storytelling AI Image Generation Mastery. Now let's dive into creating the actual visuals that will populate your videos. And for this, AI image generation tools are your best friends. Whether you're making a history documentary, a fictional story, or an informational video, compelling visuals are key to keeping your audience hooked. Tools like Leonardo AI, which we've already mentioned for banners, Midjourney, or Playground AI, have become incredibly powerful for generating unique and high-quality images from simple text prompts. This means you're no longer limited to generic stock photos or complex illustration work. Alright, so you've assembled your AI-generated visuals, your voiceover is recorded, the background music is chosen, and your sound effects are in place. You're almost at the finish line, but before you hit export, add final touches to elevate your production. These details separate a good video from a great one. Adding fade-out animations for visuals and audio feels more polished than an abrupt cut. Let's talk about one of the most valuable resources I've put together for you within the course, the Google Docs, filled with specialized prompts. These aren't just random collections of text. They are carefully crafted prompts designed to help you automate key aspects of your content creation, specifically animations and the generation of video ideas. Think of these docs as your secret weapon for maintaining consistency and quality, while significantly speeding up your workflow. This is where the real efficiency of AI automation shines. Within these Google Docs, you'll find sections dedicated to prompts for various AI animation tools or techniques. We've touched on voiceovers and music separately, but their interplay is absolutely critical for a professional-sounding video. The golden rule here, and it's non-negotiable if you want your message to be understood, is that your voiceovers should always be significantly louder and clearer than your background music. The narration is carrying the core information or story of your video. The music is there to support and enhance the mood, not to overpower or obscure the spoken content. This balance is paramount. When you bring your voiceover clips into your editing software like CapCut, the first step after placing them roughly is to organize them meticulously on the timeline. Let's circle back to visual branding, specifically your channel's logo and banner. Create and test multiple visual styles to see what resonates with your audience. Use text-to-image AI prompts to generate minimalistic, medium, and intense styles. Minimalistic style focuses on simplicity, clean lines, and limited colors. Think of iconic, easily recognizable logos. Voiceovers need to be clear. Ensure background music supports without overpowering. Adjust volume carefully. Too loud, viewers struggle and click away. Too soft, you lose emotional impact. Find the sweet spot for professional quality. Reduce background music to 20 to 30%. Creating amazing AI-driven content is one thing, but getting eyeballs on that content is a whole other ballgame. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, specifically for YouTube, comes into play. You want your videos to be discoverable when people search for topics related to your niche. One of the foundational elements of good YouTube SEO involves using relevant keywords and hashtags effectively, and AI can even help us streamline this process. A fantastic way to quickly generate a robust list of relevant hashtags and keywords for your videos is by using chatbots like ChatGPT or similar AI language models. Let's dive into Chapter 13, exploring the viral stick figure niche. This niche has incredible viral potential, especially with AI-generated content. Simple stick figures act out stories, explain concepts, and present history. Their simplicity makes them easy to produce and highly engaging. A key tip: switch from black on white to white on black backgrounds. Moving on to Chapter 14, let's talk about AI cinema, building a movie-themed channel. For those of you with a passion for movies and storytelling, imagine building an entire YouTube channel dedicated to movie themes, all powered by AI. This is an incredibly exciting niche with vast potential, from creating what-if scenarios for famous films to generating alternate endings, or even crafting entirely new mini-stories in the style of well-known cinematic universes. The course delves into how you can systematically build such a channel, leveraging AI at every step of the creative process. It all starts with the script. Now we're entering Chapter 15, the grand finale: pro-production and polishing. We're now entering the final critical phase of video production, taking all your assembled AI-generated elements and polishing them to a truly professional standard. This is where you add those finishing touches that can significantly boost viewer perception and make your content look like it was made by a much larger team. It's about refining every detail to ensure your video is as impactful and high quality as possible before it goes live on your channel. One of the first steps in this final polish, especially if you've used free versions of certain AI tools during creation, might be removing any watermarks. And there you have it, guys. A deep dive into leveraging AI to build and monetize a YouTube channel. We've covered AI-driven branding, content creation, sound design, SEO, and final production. My goal was to demystify this process and package it so you can hit the ground running. AI tools are leveling the playing field, allowing us to produce high-quality content at scale. The 10-hour course is your roadmap, packed with every strategy and tool I've discovered. You have what it takes to build your own automated YouTube empire. If you found this valuable, smash that like button. It helps the algorithm. Drop a comment with any questions or share your AI channel ideas. Share this video with anyone who could benefit from learning how to monetize with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.